Hello dear friends, welcome to the new video of biology. Today's topic is about plant tissues and anatomy. Let us start. Tissue. Anatomy is the study of internal structure of organisms. Organs are made up of a group of cells. You know that many cells combine together to form a tissue. Plant tissues are generally grouped as a meristematic permanent on the basis of its ability to divide. They are again further classified into the primordial meristems, that is the promeristems, which are also known as the embryonic meristems, usually occupying the very minute area at the tip of the root and the shoot. Primary meristems originates at the primordial stage that occurs in the plant body from the beginning, while the secondary meristem tissues developed in the living at the later stages. That's why we call them as the lateral and the secondary meristems. We will see this in distinguish in the next slides. Let us see about the first meristematic tissue. It is a group of the young cells. These are living cells with the ability to divide in the regions where they are present. They are polyhedral, isodiametric in shape with intercellular spaces. Cell wall is thin, elastic, mainly composed of cellulose. Protoplasm is dense and cell shows high rate of metabolism. They are immature. You can see this hexagonal structure of the cell and compartments with a dark part in its nucleus. Classification of meristems are generally based on origin, functions and position. You can see here there are the two different structures shown the location of the meristematic tissue. The first one is about the stem. The tip part of the stem is made up with the apical meristem. In between there is intercalary meristems and at bottom there is lateral meristems. The second picture is about a root. At the bottom there is about a apical meristems. Let us see about a secondary meristematic tissue which develops from a living permanent tissues during the lateral stages of the plant growth. Hence, they are also called as secondary meristems. These tissues occurs in the mature region of the root and shoot of many plants. Secondary meristem is always lateral, that is to the central axis in position. Example is fascicular cambium, interfascicular cambium and the cork cambium. Let us see the origin of the meristematic tissue. That is the primordial, or we can say the promeristems. It is also known as the embryonic meristems, usually occupying the very minute area at the tip of the root and the shoot, as we have seen in the picture. They are generally occupied from the beginning at the root and the shoot of the apices. Cells are dividing and different permanent tissues are produced from the primary meristems. Let us see about the positions. Apical meristem is produced at the tip part, that is at the upper part of the root and the shoot, while lateral is increasing the length of the plant, while the intercalary increases the size. Let us see about the function. They are generally young, growing of the plant. Protoderm forms a protective covering. Procambium is involved in developing the primary vascular tissues, while the structure like cortex, endodermis, pericycle, medullary rays, pits are formed from the region of the ground meristems. These are the three groups of meristems based on the functions. This is all about the origin, the positions and the functions of the meristematic tissues. Thank you for watching the video.